Bluetooth-enabled sensor to track filter life based on data from your home's HVAC system. Track the life of your filter based on airflow and usage, not just time. So you never have to worry about change your filter too early or too late. Optimize filter changes for proper HVAC system maintenance. Receive alerts directly to your smartphone when it's time to replace your air filter. Filter size type. Access information in the app to remind you of your specific filter type sizes. Enabled with Amazon-replenishment to make usage-based filter replacement easy. Sign up and save 15% on all -replenishment automatic reorders. Outdoor weather air quality. See outdoor air quality information for your neighborhood and other chosen locations. Top reviews from the United States. Good product. Effective, durable, well-made good product.